How to remove two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen again. Next, what you can do is simply tap on Account Center, and as you tap on it, scroll down and tap on Password and Security over here. Then tap on Two-Factor Authentication and then tap on your profile. And here you can see you have been recommended to use the authentication app. So you can just switch to SMS or WhatsApp and then tap on Next and then enter your phone number over here and then tap on Next, and it will send you the codes over there whenever you require. Next, what you can simply do is just delete the authentication app you have. Right now I have Google Authenticator. You can delete the authentication that you have linked with Instagram for the application, and then it will be removed from your Instagram application as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.